Hello friends, hi, this is Ankita from iCounselor team. So today I'm here to talk about education system in UK. Many students believe that UK, United Kingdom is a country which doesn't give much options or opportunities to the students or job opportunities in future. But there is this wrong belief about UK education system. Here I would like to add certain points for the benefits that the students are going to get from now onwards if they are going to study in a country like UK, United Kingdom. So since Brexit, there is a belief that if you're going to study in UK, you're going to just study, spend lakhs and amounts of money, and going to come back, and you're not going to get any job opportunity or any job search opportunities or permissions in UK. But now UK is coming up with new immigration points, new opportunities, job search opportunities for the youth. So if you're going to study in UK for your bachelor's program or master's program, you have the eligibility to apply for work post-study work permits, that is for the duration of 2 years. So a graduation program, whether it is for 3 years or 4 years, whether it's in the stream of science, arts, literature, engineering, STEM field, any field, it is going to give you post-study work permissions for 2 years duration. And even if you apply for a master's degree program, you are going to have post-study work permissions for 2 years. Now the benefits to study in United Kingdom are many. How can you actually be sure that you can have a student visa in UK? So there are some 3 basic points that are very important to get a student visa in UK. First of all, in UK, you need a licensed student sponsor. So the licensed student sponsor is going to be university who's going to give you the license to study in UK. You have to have an offer from that particular university for the course or the program that you wish to apply for, you wish to study in future in UK. Second of all, most importantly, you should be able to speak, read, write and understand English language. And of course, a very important point, that is that you should have that money, financial support to support your living in the country for the duration you're going to study, and also you should be able to pay the fees for the course. If you at least fulfill these 3 basic points, then you are definitely eligible to apply and study in UK. There are many other points and many other benefits, like for example, a master's degree in UK is of a duration of 1 year, which is a very good duration in which you can complete your master's degree, whereas compared to our country, you have 2 years of master's degree program. So in UK, with 1 year of master's degree, you get permission, post-study work permission for 2 years, which is a very big benefit. Also, UK government gives you permission as a student while studying full-time course. You can work for part-time, you have these part-time opportunities in various companies, and the government gives you permission to study, and along with studies, you can work for 20 hours per week. So if you're a student, you can also work and earn your living. While your post-study work permissions that you have that period of 2 years, apart from that, there is also a category of sandwich programs which UK universities offer. Now, many times students don't get it. If you check for UK universities programs, what are these sandwich programs or what are these placement programs? So earlier, when there were no post-study work permissions, that time UK used to give us the opportunity of a duration of the program. Along with that, the university may also give you an opportunity of work placement year. So 1 year of master's degree plus work placement year of 1 year. But at the same time, now if you choose that work placement year along with your master's studies, or if you choose a sandwich program, then you get 4 years to study and work in UK. Also, there are many universities in UK which do not have application fee. Apart from that, the living expenses outside London are less compared to if you're choosing a university in London. So, and of course, UK is the dream destination for anyone to work or study. So, and of course, apart from that, I would also like to suggest that UK universities also help you with one benefit. If you do not want to give IELTS examination, but your medium of instruction in your school and your college previously, suppose if you're going for a master's degree, so your graduation degree that you've done in India is done with the medium of English, and if you could get a document which is medium of instruction in English, or from your school if you're applying for an undergraduate program in UK, then on the basis of MOI, which is medium of instruction, you can even get a waiver on your IELTS exam. So in a way, you have this benefit that you can also waive off the IELTS exam condition. So there are many other more benefits to study in UK. We can talk further about it, discuss more about it, that how you can study and work in UK and create a promising future for yourself. There is something which a government has recently started from January 1st, 2021, which is points-based immigration system in UK. Very few people know about it. You can check the UK website for points-based immigration system and how you can actually avail this opportunity to be in UK and create a promising future and career for yourself. So as of now, I would like to leave you with these few points and would like to suggest you that if you want to know more points about how to study in UK, how to work in UK, and how you can crack those promising opportunities to study in UK and build a promising career for yourself, you can definitely get in touch with us at iCounselor at our website www.icounselor.com. So to know more details about study options in UK and how you can crack a good UK university and create a promising career and future for yourself in the country United Kingdom, which is a dream destination for everyone, you can get in touch with us at iCounselor.com, www.icounselor.com. You can also reach us at 80350 I repeat, 80350 73438. Thank you.